We made it to Mammoth. Parked out here in the middle of the mountains. Can't really see much, but we got snow. Yeah, boy. I made it to Mammoth. There's snow outside. It's cold. It's dark. I'm hungry. It's freaking awesome. Good morning. This is morning number 1 in Mammoth. It was a pretty cold night out there last night, but luckily for me, I got a nice warm sleeping bag. Oh yeah, so I was nice and cozy right here in my Jeep. But anyways, first things first, I think I'm gonna get some breakfast going, break out the stove. I wasn't able to do it last night. It was late, I was tired. I just ended up crashing out. So this morning I'm gonna cook some eggs and bacon, yeah, and then figure out whether I'm gonna go snowboarding or just keep following the road, see where it takes us. Look at that deliciousness. I don't think it could get any better. Oh wait, yeah, I could have some green chili. That would be bomb. So check this out. Found a cool abandoned place along the road. Look at that view. Beautiful. Let's go check it out. That was fun getting to know Mr. Jean-Francisco from Belgium. Very interesting guy. You guys should follow him on Instagram.
So, you know, what's the lesson? I don't know. I mean, everybody strives for the American dream. It's nice to have it, the fancy car, the this, the that. But one day when you have to make the change, it's a hard thing to do. So you don't do it. I don't know. I think you have to try it all in life. You know, it's a big lesson anyway. So do it all. It's better to do it all than always having regrets of not doing something.
took a moment to pull over. I've been following this creek for, I don't know, the last 20 miles or so. It looks pretty sweet. So I wanted to stop and take a closer look. And I had to pee. Let's just take a second to enjoy this view. Okay, it's getting late, it's getting dark, but I just had to stop and appreciate this for 1 second. This is amazing. Jeep, jeep. Cozy for night number 3 in the Jeep. Made it about as far as I can make it today. I'm probably about 150, 200 miles from the giant redwoods. So my plan today was actually to go to San Francisco. However, things changed. I decided to keep going north and to catch San Francisco on my way back to Arizona. But I guess that's the good thing about the road. You never really have to commit to anything. I mean, basically, no plan is the plan. So, yep, I'll see you in the morning, and buenos noches.